China's Premier Li Keqiang travels next to Havana. Cuba's economy is being pinched by Venezuela's political and economic turmoil, and that's forced Caracas to reduce its supply of cheap oil to Cuba. Premier Li is expected to offer help by promoting China's expertise in renewable energy technology. And CCTV's Michael Voss joins us live from Havana with that story. Michael.
Yes, Elaine, I think we're going to look for agreements here on a whole range of trade and investment issues. I think further cooperation in credit, finance, telecommunications and energy. But as you've mentioned, one of the areas where the two countries are already working closely together is helping Cuba develop renewable energy sources.
Today, Cuba produces just 4% of its energy from renewable sources. The government is committed to increasing that to 24% by 2030 with help from China. Cuba is now manufacturing around 60,000 solar panels a year using technology and components provided on credit terms by China. Key Cuban workers are sent there for training, and the plan now is to increase production threefold, including installing more automated machines.
This solar panel plant is part of a much larger electronics factory, making everything from LED lights to electric cookers. All of the machinery and the components come from China.
The island's sugar industry will also play a part in helping Cuba reach its renewable energy targets by using the waste left over from sugarcane to fuel biomass power plants to produce electricity.
Well, all this technology is coming from China, and it's...
Construction is about to begin on a $165 million biomass plant in central Cuba. It's the brainchild of British entrepreneur Andrew MacDonald, whose company, Havana Energy Limited, had trouble raising finance for the project because of the US trade embargo, or blockade as they call it. Now, the Chinese multinational Shanghai Electric has become his majority shareholder.
The blockade with the United States of America creates a lot of problems for financing projects in Cuba. The Chinese don't have some of the issues which Europe has. Therefore, China has been very good in come to work with us.
We've done a lot of work on Cuban market, and we believe in a brilliant prospect in Cuban market. That's why we are here, and I am here.
With all its sun and sugar as well as wind farms, Cuba is confident it can achieve its renewable energy targets.